Hey everyone, this is Dare from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. It's a great time to be live. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing opinions. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. What the heck is going on, guys? The big, huge kahuna of news right now is the CPI data out there is not looking good, guys. The CPI data has come in and the inflation rose 9.1%. OMG in June, even more than expected. What the heck is going on in the United States of Inflationville out there, aka United States of America, Bidenville out there? Wow. So it looks like shoppers have paid sharply higher prices for a variety of goods in June as inflation kept its hold on slowing U.S. economy. So the U.S. economy is in the crapper right now. The consumer price index and broad measure of every goods and services soared 9.1% from a year ago. Wow. Above the 8.8% Dow Jones estimate. Wow. Looks like their estimate, they got it wrong, right? And the market, another month of the fastest pace of our inflation going back to 1981. So, the inflation hasn't been this high since 1981. OMG. And, the way that the S&P 500 is performing, it hasn't been this bad since in like 1947. What's going on? I mean, have aliens invaded the planet Earth and all the financial markets are going down, down. It's insane. In the membrane. I mean, I've lived through a lot of push matter out there, but this is really taking the cake. I'm just not happy. Excluding volatile food and energy prices, so-called core CPI increased 5.9%. And if you guys are at the pump, guys, I'm pumping the gas, guys. The only thing that's being pumped is the price, guys, because the price is going up. And it's just crazy, guys. What's next? We're all gonna have to take bicycles again. OMG. So right now we're seeing that because of that, we're seeing that the Dow Jones sinks 300 points and back down to the June times, guys. So let's take a look at the U.S. markets right now. Wow. So the U.S. markets are tanking right now. We're seeing the NASDAQ is down almost 1.2%. So things are not looking pretty good. Of course, cryptocurrency took a big hit as well out there. And, from that perspective, we're absolutely seeing out there that, the annual inflation rate is 9.1%. Michael Saylor saying, we're seeing the currencies, we're seeing the U.S. dollar, Australia is up 10%, so the dollar is going nuts. We're seeing the USD against, GB pound is also going up. The U.S. euro is going up. Japanese yen, OMG, up 24%, and we're seeing that, the US against the TRY is up 102%. But guys and gals, warm up to this fun, friendly fact out there that we're still seeing that one Bitcoin is equal one Bitcoin, guys. So it is nuts, guys. It is absolutely nuts right now. If we take a look at Bitcoin right now, let me just give this a minty refresh. We can see that when the CPI data came out, bang, and we saw that the, Bitcoin just went down like a rock, guys. So, this is on the 4 hours, so you can see from the top to the bottom right here, you can see that it just dropped like 6.76%. Bang, guys, bang. I mean, it's come up a little bit from where it was with the big drop, guys. So this is not helping. CPI data is it's killing us out there. It's absolutely not good. It is nastified in-house. Let's take a look at Biddy on the on daily and see what's going on. I'm so bummed out. I'm so burnt out. I hate this CPI data. What is going on? And, keep in mind that America is not the only country that's having problems right now. We're seeing that the whole world is having problems. What the heck is going on? It is a wicked time out there. It's crazy, guys. I mean, if you got money now, it's definitely a buyer's market out there. So from that perspective, but we're seeing right now that Bitcoin right now at time of recording is at 19,243, and it did go as low. It did go as low as just below 18. Did go below $19,000 in the house. So that is not good. That is nasty in the house. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on with CPI? Could we be seeing that? Will Bitcoin hold this area? Will Bitcoin hold the $19,000 area? I don't know, guys. It's anybody's guess what's going to happen. But we could be seeing that this could be the final straw that broke the camel's back, guys. We're seeing an inverse W pattern as well here, which is not inverse head and shoulder pattern as well, which is not good, guys. So from that perspective, we are seeing a head and shoulder on the daily. I mean, that can be bullish. I don't know, guys. So the market is just whack out there. Let's take a look look at fear and greed. What's going on with the fear and greed out there? So what am I talking about? This is a heat map. Let's get a heat map. I'm so irritated. We did see that Bitcoin did go down like 5%. It's come back a little bit. So we're still seeing Ethereum. Thank goodness is above $1,000. Fear and greed is down. And remember, when there's blood in the streets, guys, this is a good time to be buying the dippity whips. But it's definitely a buyer's market out there. Like here in Bangkok, we've been looking at property for the last couple of days, and we're seeing that a lot of the sellers, they are actually selling their properties at a loss right now. So we're looking at picking some property out here. But it's a buyer's market. It's absolutely a buyer's market, guys. So right now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin treasuries right now, we're seeing that the top company that's holding Bitcoin right now is MicroStrategy. They haven't sold. Michael Saylor hasn't sold. He's a Bitcoin maxi. We're seeing that Tesla is number 2. Galaxy holding Voyager Digital, but they're bankrupt right now. So it looks like they're going into receivership. So who's holding their cryptocurrency out there? So Square, and we're seeing some of the top countries right now that are actually holding Bitcoin right now is Ukraine, guys. Ukraine is holding 46,000 BITI, and El Salvador has got 2,300, followed by Finland and followed by Georgia. So from that perspective, guys and gals, we are seeing something very, very different this time when it comes to cryptocurrency. When it comes to Bitcoin, there's a lot more people holding and a lot less capitulation out there. So from that perspective, also we're seeing this coming in for Shiba Inu, right? If you're a Shiba Inu fan, Shiba Inu's bone trading volume hit 83% within 24 hours of listing on Canadian exchange. So that's pretty good if you're a SHIB holder. So let's take a look at the SHIB price, see what's going on with that. Did that have any impact? I had a little bit of impact. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is, but it's down, guys. It is down and below 10 out there. So it didn't have the impact that we thought it would, because it looks like the Bitcoin and the CPI data took it down, down. Let's take a look at what's going on with Doge right now. So Dozier OMG is below 6 cents in the house. Right now it's trading at 5.6 in the house. OMG. Now, if we continue to be going down, down, we could see that the Doge could be going down to 4 cents. We don't want to see that. If we take a look at the number of Doge nodes out there, we can still see that the number of Doge nodes is about 1,114.5. We got about the same amount running, and we got about 13 Starlink nodes happening, guys. So the Doge nodes are still active, still happy, and still going crazy out there, guys. So you don't worry about the Doge. Doge is love is Doge. And Doge has been around since 2013, so it's not gonna disappear overnight, guys. So don't worry about the Doge. I ain't worried out there. You shouldn't be worried out there. Also, this is also coming in. It looks like XRP lowers hints SEC's next move after court denies the claim. So looks like there was a big win for the Ripple out there, and Ripple defense and Judge Sarah Netburn denied SEC's attorney-client privilege claims over the infamous Hyman Ethereum speech court decision. So basically, the SEC lost, and this is pretty good for XRP. So there could be a big win out there. So hopefully they're going to win that, and I'm pretty bullish out there for the XRP. I'm not a big XRP fan, but I hope they win, because any kind of positive catalyst for crypto is going to be absolutely fantastic, guys. Just in, Shiba Inu has passed 1.2 billion total on-chain holders, so that's pretty bullish news. So there is still some bullish news out there despite all the Debbie Downers, and we're seeing right now that this whole trend line for Bitcoin, it definitely needs to hold. If Bitcoin can't hold this trend line, it's going to be ugly. It's going to be fugly out there, and it's not going to be good for the Bitcoin holders, and we could be seeing ourselves going down to 17.5 hive in the house, guys. The price trends are cyclical. We all know that, and at some point we will go up. And what this is kind of saying is that it is cyclical. It's an investment cycle. Sure, it's a good time to be buying the dips, guys. I'm going to be buying the dippity dips, of course, on Thursday. I'm going to be DCAing like a madman, because I did hold off last week because I was waiting for the CPI data. So it looks like I'm going to get that dip, guys. I'm going to get the double dip. I'm going to be picking up some itty bitty baby, some Ethereum, some Doge out there, and I'm going to be loving it, guys. So I'm going to be dollar cost average like a madman. That's what you want to do. Looks like this is coming in from Indonesia. Bitcoin cryptocurrency could be beneficial for Indonesia, but it needs rules a Bank of Indonesia governor. So that's pretty good, because you can see that Dubai is super friendly right now when it comes to cryptocurrency. I mean, you can buy property, cars, or whatever out there with Bitcoin. Here in Thailand, we've been looking at property, been asking, look, will you accept Bitcoin? Like looking at me like, what what planet are you from? Are you from Mars? What the heck is wrong with you? So, it just would be so wonderful if people could start to accept Bitcoin for property and large transactions, because right now it's such a pain in the butt to transfer large amounts of currency across international borders. You got to have contract, you got to have proof of sort of funds, you got to do this, and then you got to pay the darn fees out there, guys. And so really, it's your money, but the bank can tell you who you can send to, how you can spend it to. So this is crazy. It's crazy. So just in South Africa Reserve Bank to bring Bitcoin and cryptocurrency into mainstream with supportive regulations. So more and more countries are absolutely want to make Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Dogecoin mainstream. We're going to see more CBDCs. And guys, once this horrific, awful, inflation, recession, all the markets going down, and once we're out of this, things are going to shine. The sun will shine again, and we're going to see things going up. So I did share this, but in the past few days we've had the CPI data at 9.1%. What's up with that? Whack. We're seeing XPM of Japan assassinate what? Sri Lanka's economy collapse at what? We're seeing bank runs are happening in China. We're seeing the DXY to Europe is a priority. What the heck is going on? So, I've never lived through kind of like weirdness. OMG, the DXY is also pumping again. It's going uppity up like a madman out there. Let me give this a refresh. Let me tune in this chart, guys. We're tuning in the chart. And we're seeing it's at 108. And, it's just nuts, guys. It's just nuts. We saw gold is also tanking, guys. Gold is tanking like crazy. I mean, maybe gold will be worth the same amount as silver soon. Because remember, in Africa, they found, like $12 trillion worth of gold deposit. What is up with that crazy wackiness out there? So everything's just not good. Everything's nasty. Everything's bad. Everything's, is this the end, guys? Is this the absolute end of time? Is it the end of humankind, guys? Are aliens influencing the financial markets to bring us to rack and ruin out there? I don't know, guys. Smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give us super chats. Looks like KuCoin has reported that 51% of Saudi Arabian crypto investors believe that crypto is the future of finance. I believe that. You should believe that. You should be smashing the likes. Absolutely smashing the likes. You should be subscribing to this primo content out there. It's good content, guys. So it looks like this is also coming in from on-chain college. Bitcoin adoption is stronger than ever. Awareness and non-zero Bitcoin balance peak during bull market and hype peaks. It took almost 700 days to return to the 2017 peak levels. It took 211 days in 2021 to recover, with the metric continuing to rise despite price dropping. So what this is saying is that more and more people are buying the biddy, hodling, not capitulating, and this is awesomeness news. Let's take a look at the Doge out there, and it's still down, down. Biddy's not doing too good. It's at 9.2 and some change. That is not good, guys. That is not good. Seeing look at Biddy on the weekly is getting decimated out there, and we're definitely down, down. Absolutely another week of red candleness. OMG. DXY, we talked about that. We don't need to talk about that. Shiba Inu is not doing too good. It's also breaking down below 10, and looks like my Ethereum out there is just being supported at the $1,000 level. Come on, Ethereum. Don't blow your load, guys. Let's keep on keeping on, and don't forget we got the Ethereum 2.0 that's supposed to be coming in September. If Vitalik can get his devs on, kick him in the nuts, get him moving. And we're seeing about $232 worth of wreckage out there. That's about 73,000 traders. And if you take a look at the hourly right now, we're seeing a lot of longs, and that is just going to push the Bitcoin price down, down. Let's take a look at total market cap. OMG, the market cap is below 900 billion. And it's tanking faster than the Titanic sank, guys. We're seeing that the 24-hour volumes are about 54 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars is still at 42. Way too high, in my opinion, out there. If we take a look at a live coin watch right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin's giving up all its weekly, monthly gains out there. Ethereum is giving up all of its daily, weekly, and monthly gains out there. We're seeing the base coin is giving up all its gains on the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. We're seeing that XRP even though they had this good news for the court, it didn't do anything to it. It's still down. Hey, the OG is talking about XRP. ADA is also doing not so good. It's about to go below 40 cents. Very downer territory happening. We're seeing Solana wanna crash down to the bottom of the earth. Is also down. Down. And but it's still up for the 30 days, so that's okay. We're seeing Dogecoin is still up over the 30 days, so it's outperforming Bitcoin. Believe it or not, it's outperforming Bitcoin, guys. There's a proof. I ain't lying, guys. And the Dotty Watt is down. Shiba Inu is down, but it's still up on the monthly, so that's pretty good. Matic is up on the weekly and the monthly, so that's good for Matic. Go on, Matic. Let's go, Matic. And it's a great time to be alive. So that's going to bring this video to a closing. Wozy, guys. Is this the end? Is this a never ending story of down, gloom and doom, guys? So, guys, do go follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it. And, guys, boop the like, smash the like for humankind. Watch out for fake accounts out there. Watch out for scammers and bots in the comments. Never reply to them. Never going to ask you to contact you and give you financial advice, guys. So just be warned out there. Don't forget to go down there and check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, guys. Get the merches over here. Get the merch. Get them on going. And don't forget to go and hey, we got a Dogecoin Tip Jar, and don't forget to go buy a ledger. Get your crypto off exchanges, guys. You have to absolutely do that, guys. Do it. What are you waiting for, guys? So from that perspective, also don't forget to become a member, guys. Click on the link here, become a member. Bang, you want to get a membership, get it. Be part of the cool crowd, be part of the in crowd. Get a crypto daily, crypto trade signals membership, guys. You want it. So this has got to be one of the bad days ever for cryptocurrency. One of the bad days for CPI ever. Where do we go from here? I mean, how low can we go? So we could probably go down, guys, and I told you we could be expecting, the worst case scenario, 10K, aliens invaded, but we could be seeing, 17,500. Maybe it's coming, guys, so buckle up, strap on, get ready, guys, because it's going to be a low, slow elevator ride to the bottom, guys. So I just want to say God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Shout out to all the subscribers, all the members out there. I want to appreciate it. And big shout out to E in Bangkok, guys, and all of those people, and Pete's out there for giving me all the super chats. I would appreciate it, and I love you guys. I love you, the support. Thanks for super chats, guys. So I gotta say one more thing. Peace out.